In this video, I want to show you how to fix the Bluetooth on your iPad 11 with the A16 chip in case you're having issues with it. I'll show you different tricks. So let's start with the number one, which is to do a force restart. This will not delete anything. It will simply shut down the iPad and power it back on. So to do it, press the volume up, volume down, and then press the power button until the screen is black. So let's do it. Volume up, volume down, and press the power button until the screen is black. Wait a few more seconds. Almost there. Here we go. You can release the power button. Now press the power button until the Apple logo appears on the display. Then you can release it. Wait, and the iPad will reboot, and fortunately after doing this everything will work the way it's supposed to. If you're still having issues, let's go to trick number two. So the trick number two consists of going into your settings. So this is the settings icon. Press on it, select Bluetooth. All the Bluetooth devices that you have paired with will appear over there. And I suggest you remove the one that you're having an issue with. So let's say this one, click on the eye icon, select forget this device, forget device, and it will be removed. Now go ahead and turn off Bluetooth, turn it on again, turn it off, turn it on again. Do this at least 5 times. At the end, leave it in the on position and reconnect that device to your iPad. Fortunately, after doing this, everything will work smoothly the way you expect. Now, if this didn't work, let's go to trick number 3, which is to reset the Bluetooth settings. It will also reset the Wi-Fi, so you'll have to reconnect to your Wi-Fi network. Unfortunately, there is no way to do a reset of only the Bluetooth. You have to do both. And to do this, go into General, go all the way down into the General menu, select Transfer or Reset iPad, tap on Reset, and tap on Reset Network Settings. Enter the passcode of your iPad. Okay, once you're done it, the screen will go black, will power on, and again, your Bluetooth and the Wi-Fi will be resetted. You can start fresh, reconnect your devices to your iPad, and fortunately, it will work after doing this. Another thing you can look out is in the General menu, make sure that you don't have any software update pending. So by going General, Software Update, if there's one that needs to be installed, I highly encourage you, all right, to install it, because many times it solves many issues, including Bluetooth. So if over here you have upgrade to iPad OS 26, 27, no matter what number you see there, tap on it and update your iPad. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, but also comment down below. Tell me which one of these tricks worked on your iPad. If you have any other tips, leave them down below. Subscribe, like, and I wish you a beautiful day. See you in the next one.